Hello friends, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to check and change printer port in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First go to start and here type printers and scanners. Click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanners, in a printer list, we find our all installed printers. Go to your printer. In this case, I go to this printer, click on your printer. Here we find manage, click on the manage. In manage, here we find printer properties, click on printer properties. Minimize it or close it and go to here properties. In properties, here we find many options. Go to the port, click on the ports. In a ports, we find our all ports. If you want to change a port or local port, then click at here, click on any port that you want. And if you want to add another port, click on add a port. Here we find standard TCP IP port. I want to add a TCP IP port. Click at here and click on new port. Click on the next. Here add your printer IP address. Add any IP address on your printer. And click on the next. Wait for a few seconds and click on the next and install or click on the next and select that port from this list. I cancel it, but you can install or select that port. Click on the apply, click on the close and restart your PC and printer, and after that your printer port is changed in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you guys.